everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you guys my favorite grain-free paleo chocolate chip cookies. So I'm really excited about this one, mainly because I get to eat these afterwards, but also because I really want to show you this recipe. It's super simple and it's so delicious. There's definitely a pattern in all my go-to recipes. I always like recipes that have a small amount of ingredients and are really quick to whip up and quick to cook. So this recipe here doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and all the ingredients is usually something that I have in my fridge or cupboard, so I don't have to go and get special ingredients just for this recipe. Alright, let's get right into it. So you will need two bowls, so one a little bit larger and then a smaller one. Also some measuring cups and spoons, and then the ingredients. So we'll go through the ingredients as I put them in the bowl. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first, we're going to start off with 2 cups of almond flour. So I did this with blanched almond flour. I personally think the blanched one tastes a little bit better. I feel like whatever batter or cookies or brownies or something you're making with it comes out more like actual flour, like it's a little bit more doughy with the blanched. That's just, it's a personal preference, but yeah, that's kind of what I get. So that's 2 cups of almond flour. And a little tip for you, I think a lot of people store their almond flours or even just nuts in their cupboard, but actually almond flour and nuts, they can oxidize, and you don't want to be consuming nuts and fats that have been oxidized. So keep your almond flour, especially the almond flour because it's been processed, keep it in the fridge so it stays nice and fresh. Okay, next up, continuing on with the dry ingredients, we got 1 teaspoon of some baking soda. So I got my baking soda right here. This is a half a teaspoon. I was a little bit lazy and I didn't grab all the spoons, so half. So I'm going to do 2 of these. So it equals to 1. Add that in there. Perfect. And then we're going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So it's about 2 pinches. I'm using some pink Himalayan sea salt. That is my favorite salt to use. Alright, so that's it actually for the dry ingredients. So let's get a bowl going for the wet ingredients now. So first up, we're going to have some honey. Now, when it comes to honey, I don't recommend using the one that I'm about to use. I'm just using some honey that I got from the store, which has definitely been pasteurized, and that means that there's not like the enzymes and everything and all the good things that are in honey are probably not active anymore. But that's just what I have on hand. I bought that a while ago because I was testing something and I just grabbed it from the store across the street. But usually I would grab some local raw honey from the farmer's market, and that's a better option. So be careful of what kind of honey you get. So we need a 1/4 cup. This is half a cup, so I'm just going to do half of this. Alright, so we got our 1/4 cup of honey. Oh, this is a hack, guys. I didn't do it here, but you should always measure your oil first. So I'm about to use coconut oil. If you measure your coconut oil first, it's going to leave an oil coating in the cup, and then your honey's not going to be super sticky. I'll actually just come out super smooth. So you guys can do it. I'm gonna have to grab a spoon to help me scoop that out. Alright, next up we got the coconut oil. So coconut oil, I got it right here. I'm gonna use another spoon. And again, I need a 1/4 cup of that. So I'm just gonna use my half cup again, put it in there. It's about half, and we are gonna melt this. Pretty sure you're not supposed to do this, but I'm just gonna throw this in the microwave real quick. But I would recommend probably using a bowl. And voila, we got some melted coconut oil from just putting them in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'm gonna add that to the honey. Awesome, and then we're gonna do the vanilla. So for the vanilla, I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Again, this is a half. I'm going to use this, so I'm going to do 2 of this one. With the vanilla, I'm just using a pure vanilla extract. Yeah, I always recommend trying to grab some pure. There's the other kind, the not pure. Can't remember what the right term is. But yeah, it's not as good. It doesn't taste as good. Alright, what else is next? Now, we need an egg. Crack the egg in there. Perfect. And we're gonna mix that up. This already smells so good. The vanilla makes it smell so yummy. Okay, so now we're gonna put the wet ingredients into the dry. Just pour it right in. And we're gonna mix this up. Alright, and it would not be chocolate chip cookies without some chocolate chips. So, few options here. We need half a cup of chocolate chips. I really like using the Lily's chocolate chips, but these are not paleo, I'm pretty sure. Because yeah, they have milk fat. So yeah, they're not dairy free. Over here I also have the Enjoy Life chocolate chips, which are dairy free and gluten free. So you can pick whatever you want to put in here. If you don't really care about that, then you can just put normal ones as well. But for today, I'm gonna do the Lily's one. Yeah. Okay, so we're doing half a cup. So we're just gonna cover that up. There you go. And sprinkle it in there. Get all of them, not leaving any chocolate chips behind. Mix everything really well. Alright, so this is the difficult part, to not eat the whole cookie dough before you bake it. But we're actually going to leave the dough to set for 20 minutes. I'm just going to cover it and put it in the fridge. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Alright guys, we are back. So the dough's been refrigerating for about 20 minutes. The oven's ready to go. So we're going to take our dough and just form little balls. You could just do that with a spoon, but faster with your hands. Yeah, just like little mini golf balls. Space them out on a baking sheet. Alright, so we got our little cookies. This recipe should make around like 10 to 12 depending on the size you do. I got 11, so right in between. So I'm going to pop that in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on them depending on your oven. Alright guys, I am back because 12 minutes have passed and it's cookie time. So let me grab these out of the oven. So these look perfect right now. Yeah, they're amazing. So I would just let them set for a little while, sit and cool down a little bit before I have them. But I want to show you what they look like inside. Let me come over and show you how like soft and gooey they are on the inside. Alright, so that is it. That is my favorite paleo grain-free chocolate chip cookies. I'm really excited to snack on these. Yeah, they're really good on their own, or with like a glass of almond milk or something like that. Just a really nice treat to have around the house. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing more recipes like this, I do post some of these recipes on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. So that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, which is short and sweet. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to tick the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!